Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. So, an interesting day for me, guys. So, on a day in which the market absolutely ripped off that CPI number, that's the 830 candle, and kept basically, moving higher and higher and higher, a little bit of a drop here, you would think that, well, I must have made all my trades, must have been on the long side. Nope. My best trades were from my 10-day daily breakdown, in which I took HROW and NPWR. And I took another one that wasn't from my 10-day daily breakdown, it was SE. But, look how beautiful this HROW was. We had the alert from that scan, which I'm sharing, at 9:29. That was the price, not the time. The time was at 9:40. So at 9:29, right around here. And before it pulled up at all, it got down to 7.99. That's a huge, huge percentage move. It did pull up a little bit, and then look at this move down here, down to all the way down to 7.60 or something. One of the reasons I like this one is that I'm always loving to see stocks making all-time lows, and this was an earnings play. So you got to think to yourself, this is a stock that's at an all-time low. Sure, eventually people may step in for a little bit of bottom fishing, but really, what's going to prop this stock up other than that? It's an earnings play today. No, they're not like they're going to release something great tomorrow to counter the bad result from earnings. I mean, look at this gap down. Anyway, I love those type of trades. Stocks making all-time lows on news, be it earnings or some other bad news. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.